How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. The one thing you should know that there is no any direct feature or the option where you can add your highlight without adding to your story. But what you can actually do is first of all head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to settings. Move into privacy. Tap on story. Now you need to click on hide story from. First of all, you need to hide all the people from viewing your story. But if you have a lots of followers, then it might take a time. You can also hide the specific people from viewing your story. So for me in this account, I don't have a lots of followers, so let's hide them all. Once you are done, go back and head over to your story. Select the picture or the video that you want to add to your highlights. Let me add this picture. Tap on your story. The story has been posted but no one can actually view your story. So in order to add to your highlights, tap on this highlight option. You can also enter the title to your highlights. Once you are done, tap on add. Now click on done. There you go, the highlight has been added successfully. Now after 24 hours, you can unhide the people that you have hidden before. This way people won't be able to view your story but will be added to your highlights. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to add highlights without adding to your story. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.